Should I use LVP instead of engineered woods? Vinyl flooring. Remember that term in the 80s? I see pea green linoleum. But now in 2020, vinyl flooring has a whole new meaning. Take for instance the wood vinyl look. Some of the high-end designer vinyl series are hard to tell the difference. They look and feel like wood floors. So why has vinyl flooring had a bad rap? Combined with the 80s and when they first came on the market, they looked fake and plastic. Today, a new line, Luxury Vinyl Planks, LVP, is taking on the floor industry. Companies are spending big money to produce a product that looks like wood. Contrary to real wood, LVP lends itself to a busy family. You don't have to worry about water, and the maintenance is extremely low, which is an advantage. Companies are not only producing wider planks, but more colors and more textures. Distressed, different shades, and even wire brush are coming on the market quickly. Companies are competing to bring in the best LVPs. Along with this, the installation is easier and quicker than your traditional engineered woods. LVP is great for areas in your room or your home that are water prone, such as laundry rooms or basements. Many clients that have had their homes flood have moved to LVP. Families that have pools, LVP is a perfect choice. To sum it up, don't pass on the vinyl flooring. Take a look and you'll be pleasantly surprised.